Hi, fourth graders. This is a project overview for Choose Your Own Adventure. So I'm going to explain how this works. So you're going to write your own Choose Your Own Adventure. Here is the task. You can read that on your own. I'm going to explain more things like the scales. So this is a scale. This is going to be one of your grades, and a 3 is considered at grade level. And this would be considered above grade level. So this is like a 4 for us. This is like a 5. Whenever you see a slide like this, it has a link. Please click it and follow the instructions. Go in order, don't skip around. You can see that there's now talking about language. So this is talking about a language grade. Then it has a slide that goes along with that. So these slides here are about this grade. So this, and this are how you're going to earn your grade for this. And then down here are some additional writing grades that you're going to get too. So take some time to look through that. And then when you come to here, this tells you how you're going to create your story map.